Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. In this tutorial we'll be making this really fun two-toned chocolate border cake. You'll need a 6-inch cake. Here I've already crumb coated and stacked my 6-inch, and I'm creating a final coat in black buttercream. To create black buttercream, I like to add lots of gel food color and create like a chocolate frosting first. That way it's already nice and dark. By the time you add a little bit of gel food color, you will get it the rest of the way to black. Smooth out the sides, bring that lip of frosting towards the middle of the cake, and then refrigerate your 6-inch for about 20 minutes. In the meantime, you can work on your top tier. This is a 4-inch cake, and I'm just repeating the exact same steps again. This time, however, I am going to pop it into the freezer for 10 minutes. Create 2 panels that are going to wrap around each cake evenly and also make them slightly taller than the actual cake. Then take some melted white chocolate, add some vegetable oil so that you can add in some gel food color and your chocolate won't seize. It also gives it a little bit more time to set as well, giving you a bit more control. Pop the chocolate into 2 different piping bags. I just created my piping bags out of baking paper. Cut off the end section by a few millimeters and then create these swirls traveling left to right. I created 2 rows of each, alternating the color as I went. If you guys are interested in classes, we are running classes at the moment. I'll leave the link to our Global Ballet class page in the description box below. Once your border has been piped on, grab that baking paper sheet and just position it a little bit higher. This just creates a nice kind of seamless cut at the top and the bottom. Let it set on your countertop until the chocolate loses its gloss, but it's still super flexible, and then wrap it around your cake carefully. Give it a good massage to press it into your fondant and then cut off the excess. Let that rest in the fridge if you like for about 10 minutes until the chocolate has set completely, and then gently peel away the baking paper to reveal your awesome chocolate border. Do the same for your 4-inch as well. Mine was just slightly short, but it's a very, very easy fix. So just let it set like normal and then pop a second panel over the top. I'll show you how I created that second panel because I actually used up all of my chocolate. With the 6-inch, I ended up having too long of a panel, so I cut off a little section at the end. And then what I did was I took 2 cookie sheets, I put lots of hot water in one, laid the second metal cookie sheet over, and then I let my chocolate border sort of sit on there because it was nice and warm from the steam, and it melted my chocolate again for me so I could put it back onto the cake. Once your 4-inch has set in the freezer again for 10 minutes, you can handle it with your hands and stick it onto your 6-inch cake with a little bit of buttercream. Pop on any extra decorations as you like. Fresh fruit will go nicely on here as well. And your cake is complete. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this 2-tiered, 2-toned chocolate border cake. If you give it a go, I would love to see how you guys did. Hashtag Rosie's Dessert Spot on Instagram so I can see your awesome creation as well. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one or in class.